Good morning. Today we are going to learn about round of numbers. This topic is really familiar with you all because you have already learned this in year 1, 2 and year 3. In year 4, the numbers are slightly getting bigger. Now we straight away go to the question here. The question here is 29,153. Normally when come to the question round off, the questions it sounds like round off to the nearest 10,000, round off to the nearest 1000, round off to the nearest 100 or round off to the nearest 10. In this question it's about round off to the nearest 10,000. Okay, now so in this question the place value of 10,000 here is 2, so we'll circle the 2. Okay, so afterwards we'll put one straight line on the right just after the circle, and then we'll underline the number just after the straight line. Okay, the number we underline here is 9, right? So if the underlined number, okay, if the underlined number is 5 or greater, which means it's 5 or more. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we have to plus 1. If the underlined number is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, we have to plus 0. Now where we have to plus, we must always remember we will always plus the number according to the question. If it's a question about the 10,000, we will always plus in the place value of 10,000. So here the place value of 10,000 here is in 2, so we always plus here. Okay, to make it simple for you, அந்த வட்டம் போட்ட எண் எங்கே இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க. அந்த வட்டம் போட்ட எண்ணுக்கு நேராக மேலே அதை கூட நீங்கள் கூட்ட வேண்டியதான். விளங்குதுங்களா? நீங்கள் நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. நீங்கள் பார்க்க வேண்டிய எண் வந்து நீங்கள் கோடு போட்ட எண் இருக்குல்ல, அந்த எண்ணை பார்ப்பீங்க. அந்த எண் 5க்கு அதிகமாக இருக்கா அல்லது 5க்கு குறைவாக இருக்கா அப்படின்றத பார்ப்பீங்க. ஒருவேளை அது 5 அல்லது 5க்கு அதிகமாக இருந்ததுன்னா நீங்கள் அந்த வட்டம் போட்ட எண்ணு கூட 1ன்னு கூட்டுவீங்க. அப்படி நீங்கள் அந்த கோடு போட்ட எண் இங்கே 9 இருக்குது பார்த்தீங்களா, அது வந்து 5க்கு குறைவாக, அதாவது 4 அல்லது 4க்கும் குறைவாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நீங்கள் ப்ளஸ் 0 பண்ணுவீங்க. ஓகே, ஹியர் we'll plus with 1. So after we plus 1, we cut down all the numbers after the straight line. Okay, we'll cut all these numbers and replace the numbers with 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You must remember, always after the straight line all the numbers will become 0. So now 2 plus 1 you will get 3, and then we rewrite again all the digits afterwards, which is 0, 0, 0, 0. Now this is the answer for the question. Okay, if the same question, okay, if the same question given, let's say we write down again the question 2, 9, 1, 5, 3. Okay, let's say now the question is they asked about nearest 1000. Okay, let's say they asked about nearest 1000. Okay, now where's the place value of 1000? Okay, we have to circle the place value of 1000. Now the place value of 1000 here is 9, so we'll circle this. Then we make one straight line. Okay, we'll make one straight line. Now we'll do it. We try to look at the number just after the straight line. Here we have 1. Now if it's 1 is here, right? So if 1 means we have to plus 0. Well, we'll plus 0. Here we'll plus 0. Okay, so what will happen to the number after the straight line? Okay, after the straight line all the numbers will become 0. So we have 3 digits here, so all 3 will become 0. So what will happen to the answer? Okay, we'll write down the answer again. The 2 remain the same. 9 you plus with 0, you will get 9, and all the number afterwards will become 0. So this is the answer if the question is asked about nearest 1000. Okay, thank you.